I'm Wes Smuts, and this is 2 of 128 High Street in Berserker. The centrally located 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit is a fantastic opportunity to invest or be situated close to all the Berserker amenities. The unit is light-filled with open plan living flowing back onto the 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and parking at the rear, ready for you to put your stamp on or get your tenants in. If you can see potential in this unit, with its location in a small complex, secure covered parking, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts.